Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. Okay, first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the upper button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the option called the settings, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called watch face, and once you find it, select it. It will open the watch face menu, and here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping on the screen. It's a bit laggy for some reason, but here we have it. You can scroll through the list, look for the watch face you like, and once you find the watch face you like, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also edit the watch faces, so if you open the menu, settings and the watch face, you will see, oh my bad, I tapped on it again. It's a bit laggy when it comes to interface, but okay, once you're in the watch face menu, you will see that under the watch face you have this edit button. You can tap on it, and here you can change the data, color, and you can also remove the watch face. If you tap on data, it will open the editing menu, and you can tap on the data window and you can swipe up and down to change the data on it. And then you can tap on the other one and just change all of them to the data you want. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to apply the changes. You can also change the color, so if you tap on color, it will allow you to switch the color of the watch face. And then you can press the upper button to confirm. Besides the editing of the watch faces, you can also create a custom one. So if you select this option, create custom, you have type, and you have live or still. Select the one you like. And then you can select the background type. We have landscape, nature, abstract. Let's say landscape. Then find the type of the data we want to, maybe not the data, but type of the thing we want to change. We have background, so we can swipe up and down on the screen. Then we can change the type of the clock. Then we can change the data on it, of course, so we can tap on the the data point and change the type of data displayed on it. Okay, and next we have the time markers. We can turn them on or off, or change how they look like. Then the color of the accents. And once you're done, you can press the upper button and the watch face will be applied. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.